Computers have made many office tasks easier, yet it seems that our eyes are working harder than ever. Computer work even has its own brand of eye strain. Doctors call it computer vision syndrome, or CVS. CVS symptoms include red, irritated eyes, fatigue, even neck pain and headaches, but there are steps you can take to avoid them. If you have your monitor positioned at the proper height and distance from your eyes, you've already taken one important step in reducing the potential for eye strain. When was the last time you wiped off your computer screen? Never? If you let your monitor get dirty and stay that way, you're just asking for eye strain. The screen's electrical charge attracts dust. Unless you clean it regularly, the images on your monitor will just get harder and harder for you to see. So get yourself some of the disposable wipes that are made specifically for cleaning monitor screens. Then rub the wipe gradually in small circles across the screen. Avoid putting direct pressure on the surface while you do it. But don't forget to power down your monitor before you start to clean. And remember, you should clean the screen on a regular basis. Your eyes will appreciate it. Your risk of computer vision syndrome can also depend on the condition of your eyes themselves. If they feel itchy when you're at work and you find yourself rubbing them, the reason could be they're getting too dry. That can happen easily at a computer because we blink at only about half the normal rate when we're staring steadily at one spot, like a monitor screen. To counteract this, make a conscious effort to blink more frequently and use some lubricating eye drops or artificial tears if necessary. If your job requires you to spend a lot of time on a computer, you should also see your eye doctor at least once a year. Regular examinations ensure that any eye conditions will be corrected promptly. If you do have a problem, the doctor may be able to prescribe computer glasses customized to your specific needs. These can be set up to allow you to see clearly for close work at the keyboard, as well as to view things further away, such as your monitor. The doctor can also begin building a vision health history for you, so you both can keep track of changes in your eyesight over time. Even if you've just started working with computers, it's a good idea to get an eye exam now to establish a baseline for future exams.